Hello guys, and welcome to my new video tutorial. So in this video tutorial I'll be creating a multi-client server chat application. So without any further delay, let's get started. So I have opened my terminal and I'll be using VS Code. First of all, I'll create a client side code. So I'll create a folder called client, and in here I'll create a Java class called client thread.java, which will extend thread class, as we'll be using thread for our project to handle multiple client requests. We have created the client thread in order to listen to the response from the server without getting blocked while reading from a scanner as well. So we have used input buffer reader to get information from the client. So I'll create a constructor that will pass socket from the client side from the main Java class that I'll be creating in a while. So in here I'll override the run method provided by thread class. And in here I'll be listening to the response from the server. I'll just catch the exception and throw it. And at last I'll use the finally to close my input buffer reader. Let's just throw an exception for this one too. Alright, so now we're done with our client thread.java class. So I'll be creating another Java class called main.java for the client side. So first of all, let's read the input from server using buffer reader. So I haven't created a socket object, so I'll just create it. We'll initiate the connection to a server by passing the IP address and port number. So we'll bypass the IP address and port number on our track as work. Now we'll use a print writer to return the output to the server. We have used the true statement in order to flush the buffer, otherwise we have to do it manually. So we'll be using scanner to take the user input. So I have kept client name as empty so that we can ask for the name of client. You will see the logic why I have used the name empty in the later code. So we have created a client thread. And we will start the client thread. So we'll take the user input in an loop and we'll close the loop when user enters exit command. So this is the logic. So we'll be taking a user name initially when user runs their client application. If the user input is equal to exit, we'll just break it so that you can go out of the loop. Once user enter their name, we'll be working on sending the message that user has entered with their name. Looks like there is an error in here. Okay, alright. Let's see what it is. And oh, okay, I forgot to I miss one bracket on the if statement, so I'll just skip it. So yeah, our client side code is almost over. We'll just throw an exception. If we encounter any kind of error, we can know that. Oh, why is it giving an error? Okay, I have to use get stack trace, not print stack trace. So that has caused the error. Okay, I'll just change it. Right. Alright, so now our client side code is done. Now we'll be doing the server side code. Oh, okay, I used the wrong input stream reader. Hopefully this will fix it.